Hey, so I came across to your website and I just want to give some feedback on this. What I like about your website. Oh, okay. So I believe this is an updated website. So there are a lot of informations that we can read, but I think one thing I can suggest is to put the phone number here that a client would easily see it, and also the email address so they can easily contact you. So now let's take a look what's happened online as far as what people in the Google search or see. Let's take a look at the customer looking for a service would see on Google and what we are looking right now. I'm going to show it to you. This is a ranking grid. And you can see you are number one right here in the middle area, which is your Google profile location. And then around that, it drops off quickly. So these are the cities. So one of the suggestions we are giving business on this right now is to put another profile and a website in another corner of the city that you're going to grow into. Now let's take a quick look to see how you are ranking. I'm going to show it to you. Wait a sec. So this is best budget. Let's find it. So you are here. As you can see, you are at the 5th position. This is where you're ranking overall in the entire area. So above you, and the following companies are also offering the same as you do, the same services as you do. So, what we are thinking or what we can suggest, like I said before, is another website and another business Google profile. We're going to send you an example of a website that we built as a test model that we could brand for you and help you put up another profile to get you more jobs or more work to do. Now, if you're interested or if you have any inquiries, please let us know. Thank you.